Looking for the best computerized sewing machine to take your sewing projects to the next level in 2026? Whether you're a beginner learning the basics, a passionate DIY crafter, a quilter, or an experienced tailor, choosing the right computerized sewing machine can make every project faster, easier, and more precise. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best computerized sewing machines of 2026, carefully selected for their performance, stitch quality, ease of use, innovative features, and overall value. From budget-friendly options to feature-packed premium models, there's a perfect machine here for every skill level and budget. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which sewing machine earns the #1 spot. And if you'd like to learn more or check the latest prices, all product links are available in the video description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Bernette B38. If you're looking for a reliable computerized sewing machine that combines precision, versatility, and ease of use, the Bernette B38 is an outstanding choice. Featuring 394 built-in stitches, an intuitive LCD display, and an automatic thread cutter, this machine is perfect for quilting, embroidery, garment making, home decor, and everyday sewing projects. Its 7-point feed dog system ensures smooth, even fabric feeding on everything from delicate silk to heavy denim, while the automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin, LED lighting, and adjustable stitch width and length make every project easier and more accurate. Built with renowned Swiss engineering, the Bernette B38 delivers professional quality results at speeds of up to 820 stitches per minute. Complete with an extension table, Northern Lights thread bundle, and a full accessories kit, it's an excellent option for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced sewists alike. Watch our YouTube video to see the Bernette B38 in action and discover why it's one of the best computerized sewing machines available in 2026. Number 4. Janome JW8100. If you're looking for a versatile and beginner-friendly sewing machine that can handle everything from everyday clothing repairs to detailed quilting projects, the Janome JW8100 computerized sewing machine is an excellent choice. With 100 built-in stitches and 7 one-step buttonholes, it gives you endless creative possibilities for fashion, home decor, and quilting. The easy-to-use LCD display, convenient start-stop button, and adjustable speed control make sewing simple and enjoyable for users of all skill levels. Its 7-piece feed dog system ensures smooth, even fabric feeding for consistent, professional-looking stitches on a wide range of materials. Quilters will appreciate the included extra-wide extension table, even feed foot, and quarter-inch quilting foot, making large projects much easier to manage. Additional features like the built-in needle threader, needle up-down function, jam-proof drop-in bobbin, and a complete set of accessories help you spend less time setting up and more time creating. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, the Janome JW8100 delivers reliable performance, precision, and convenience, making it a fantastic addition to any sewing room. Number 3. Brother CS7000X. If you're looking for a reliable sewing and quilting machine that combines versatility, ease of use, and professional quality performance, the Brother CS7000X is an outstanding choice. Featuring 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, quilting stitches, and 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, it offers endless creative possibilities for beginners and experienced sewists alike. The improved automatic needle threader makes setup faster and more convenient, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth, consistent stitching. Built with a durable metal frame and a fixed needle bar, the CS7000X delivers excellent stability and precision on everything from everyday repairs to detailed quilting projects. Its large needle-to-arm workspace provides extra room for handling quilts and larger fabrics, and it comes complete with a wide table, 10 specialty sewing feet, quilt guide, protective hard case, and multilingual user manual, making it a complete sewing solution right out of the box. If you want dependable performance and feature-packed value, the Brother CS7000X is a fantastic investment for your sewing room. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. If you're looking for a powerful sewing machine that combines advanced features with ease of use, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is an outstanding choice. With 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications, it gives you endless creative possibilities for quilting, garment making, home decor, embroidery, and crafting. The machine comes with 13 presser feet, a large extension table, and a complete set of accessories, making it ready for virtually any sewing project right out of the box. Time-saving features like the automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover make setup quick and hassle-free, while 13 one-step automatic buttonhole styles and a built-in lettering font let you create professional-looking finishes and personalized designs with ease. Adjustable speed control and the convenient start-stop button allow you to sew comfortably with or without a foot pedal, giving you greater precision and flexibility. Whether you're a beginner ready to grow your skills or an experienced sewist looking for a feature-packed machine, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and value for every project. Step 1. Juki HZL HT740. Meet the sewing machine designed to make every project faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. Featuring an auto thread trimming function and a convenient thread cutter button, it trims both the upper and lower threads instantly, saving time and reducing thread waste. The auto needle threader eliminates the hassle of threading by hand, while the heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate ensure lasting durability and effortless fabric feeding. Customize every stitch with adjustable stitch length and width. Enjoy bright, energy-efficient LED lighting, and tackle cuffs, sleeves, and hems with the versatile free arm. Its spacious 6.4-inch sewing area provides plenty of room for quilts and larger projects, while the intuitive color-coded Start-Stop button makes operation simple and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, this feature-packed machine delivers precision, convenience, and reliable performance for every stitch. Don't forget to check the Amazon product link in the description below to learn more and find the latest price. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best computerized sewing machines 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect sewing machine for your next project, whether you're a beginner, a passionate hobbyist, or a professional seamstress. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. We'd also love to hear from you. Which sewing machine is your favorite? Or which one are you planning to buy? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find the links to all of the sewing machines featured in this video in the description below. If you purchase through those links, we may earn a small affiliate commission at no additional cost to you. Your support helps us create more honest reviews and high-quality content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.